Welcome to this detailed comparison of smart hybrid versus fully hybrid systems in automobiles. Introduction. This presentation provides a concise comparison of smart hybrid and fully hybrid systems. We will explore their differences in cost, system architecture, features, and operational principles, giving you a clear understanding of the benefits and trade-offs of each technology. Smart hybrid systems cost and system. Smart hybrid systems are a more economical solution, featuring a lower cost compared to fully hybrid systems. The system typically includes an integrated starter generator, or ISG, coupled with a lithium-ion battery. In many cases, a dual battery configuration helps to manage the electrical load effectively. Smart hybrid systems features. Key features of smart hybrid systems include: first, engine power assistance, where the ISG helps the internal combustion engine during acceleration. Second, regenerative braking recovers energy during braking to charge the battery. Third, the engine can automatically shut off when the vehicle is stationary, such as at traffic lights, while essential functions continue running. Lastly, power variation can occur when accessories like lights are in use. Smart hybrid systems, simple explanation. The smart hybrid system works by combining a battery and an integrated starter alternator to assist the engine. This reduces the engine's workload, resulting in improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. Fully hybrid systems, cost and system. Fully hybrid systems come at a higher cost, with popular examples including the Toyota Prius and Camry. They combine an electric motor with an internal combustion engine. Both the electric motor and battery can provide standalone power, especially during low-speed driving, offering a richer hybrid experience. Fully hybrid systems features. Fully hybrid systems offer several key advantages. They significantly improve fuel efficiency and lower emissions compared to traditional ICE vehicles. The electric motor can handle higher power demands, particularly during acceleration and low-speed driving. Like smart hybrids, fully hybrid systems use regenerative braking to recharge the battery. Fully hybrid systems, simple explanation. At low speeds, the vehicle is driven primarily by the electric motor, resulting in zero emissions. As speed increases, the internal combustion engine takes over to power the vehicle. This combination provides an eco-friendly driving experience without compromising performance. Conclusion. In summary, smart hybrid systems offer an economical choice for those seeking light hybrid benefits, fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, without the higher cost. Fully hybrid systems provide a more advanced solution for maximizing fuel efficiency and minimizing emissions, with greater electric driving capabilities, but at a higher price.